Do you want a dog that impresses people, but can't train to do so? Well, there's a dog that we've genetically modified to do so.
Konnichiwa. Welcome to Tokyo Airspace. It's nice to meet you. What is your name?
I present to you the glowing dog. Now, it's not the only dog we've modified to glow. We currently have 7 and are in the process of breeding more. Well, you might be thinking, well, that's animal cruelty. There is no point in doing this. The animal doesn't know what's happening. It's glowing, so it's probably embarrassing for it. And it's probably freaking out thinking something's not right with it and that it may not have a long life. Well, that's not the reason. The reason was not to make jokes of a dog that glows and try to be funny and make fun of the animal species. Make fun of the dog species. The reason we do this is we wanted the dog to be immune to more than 50 diseases. So we injected this gene into the egg of a female dog's wound. And we were planning it out and discovered a problem. How do we know if the dog's body takes the gene? Well, how do we know if the pup's body takes the gene? Well, this is what stumped us. We could not figure it out. But after some research, we figured out, well, if the dog's body has some vivid difference from different dogs, then we know that it took the gene. So now we have to tack a gene and bond it with the immunity gene. Well, what gene would we bond it with? We wouldn't bond it with the dog having black hair gene. Because if the dad already has black hair and the mom has white hair, it's still a possibility, even if the trait's recessive or dominant, it's still a possibility their baby could have black hair. So we can't do that. So then we know that no dog in the world glows. Well, that's a possibility. If the dog glows, then we know that took the gene. So what we did is we extracted the trait from an anemone deep in the Pacific Ocean, and we bonded it with the immunity trait. So now we know that if the dog glows, because of this trait we inserted inside of it, we know that since it's bound with the other trait, it must have taken the immunity trait. So the body must have accepted. You're still asking why. Well, we've decided to test the disease on dogs to find medicinal cures so that humans don't get these viruses. The dog only glows in UV rays, and they're well over $5,000. Plus, the dog may need to go to the vet more often than most dogs. The first 2 callers get a dog for half price. So call 1-800-GLOWING-DOGS. Again, that's 1-800-GLOWING-DOGS.